the Painting Baby Hand channel. Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a rainbow star step by step. Let's start by drawing. Add a thick outline. Now it's time to coloring. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. If you don't have glitter glue, you can use regular glue and sprinkle glitter on top. Green color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Wait a new videos. See you next time. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.